It's my MPP Solar PCM60X. You know, if you notice here, there's no little blinky light going and no numbers in there. And that's why this thing is so awesome. When it gets a little dark out, well, 8:22 tonight in the PM, it shuts down automatically. You don't have those little ghost loads sucking your power up all night long. And you would think, oh, well, that doesn't use much power. Well, surfing around the old YouTube there's a couple that had one of those fancy big buses with all their fancy lithium in there, which I don't like. They put their bus up for 6 months. Their BMS turned the batteries off, but there's a little blinky light in there. And that little blinky light sucked all their power out of their batteries and destroyed them. That was like $5,000-$6,000 they just blew because that little fancy lithium needs all that crap to make it work. It just destroyed them. That's an expensive little dude, isn't it? But anyways, this is turns off automatically in the morning, 7:15 in the morning. Comes on a all by itself. I don't have to do nothing, and it's back working. It's back putting, you know, a little start like 5 watts. It doesn't have to be much light at all, and it turns back on, and it's working again. I love it. That's you know, I've never seen anybody review this model and bring this up. You know, those ghost loads, they just add up. You know, TV, those little red lights running all night long, and your PC monitors, microwave clocks, stove clocks. That's why I wanted to bring this up, that this is one fantastic machine. There's no fans in it. Got big heat sinks in it. Mounting brackets are all there. 4 screws, you're done. You can put 4-aught cable in it. I use ferrules on my cables. Boy, those really work good. I recommend those. But I thought I'd kind of give you an idea of why I think this is a fantastic machine, that it turns off by itself. It comes back on by itself, and there's no little ghost load sucking up your power at night. So, well, thanks for watching. If you like it, give me a little subscribe there and maybe a like anyways, since I'm new at this YouTubing. I've been a mechanic for 50 years. I think I can pass along some knowledge to you. So, well, thank you.